New Jersey-born artist Sondra Perry is showing a new video installation commissioned by Muse, the Rolls-Royce Art Programme. Perry's work, Lineage for a Phantom Zone, sees the artist conjure music from a Moog Theremini as she explores her personal history and the erasure of Black history in the American South.
I'm making a work that is preoccupied with memory, moving image, archival footage, and dreams. Thinking about how your dreams can posit new futures for you. Some of the influences for my art practice are definitely my family members. My folks worked with what they had. You know, I used to say that they worked with very little, but what they worked with was a lot. It was culture, it was family history.
Lineage for a Phantom Zone is the first work created for the Rolls-Royce Art Programme's Dream Commission, established to advance moving image art.
There's something about the medium and its dissemination that allows the general public to have a really sophisticated understanding of what moving images do, for better or for worse, if they're playing with stereotypes, if the image is degrading people, all of those types of things, all of these new technological spaces of representation are great ways where old stories are becoming new again, or the old is being seen through a different literal lens, and we're getting to kind of discover who we are once more through another technology, in the same ways that we discovered who we were through photography hundreds of years ago.